If you've been an active participant in the Sui ecosystem or just following it from afar, you're probably aware of the Walrus protocol airdrop that seems to be imminent sometime this month. Eligible wallets have already received an NFT that represents their airdrop allocation. So the Walrus airdrop is a great example of what can happen by just being an active participant in the Sui ecosystem. And so I want to show you a couple others that I'm looking at. Number one is Ika, which like Walrus is another major project being built on Sui. The Ika token launch date's not known, but it's speculated that it'll be sometime shortly after the wall token airdrop. So good news is I think there's still time to qualify, like I said, and we're gonna go through the process of doing that. I'm gonna show an example. The other Sui ecosystem project with an airdrop confirmed is Karrier One, which is a really interesting DePIN project. We're gonna dive into this thread by Angelo and go through the process that he recommends to qualify for the Karrier One airdrop. So back on March 4th, Ika launched the MF Squid Market NFT collection, and this thing minted out super quickly. The speculation is that holding these NFTs would be a qualifier for the Ika airdrop, and so we're going to do that in this video. We're going to buy one. If we go to level up your NFT, they've introduced this as well. There's not a ton of information about exactly what leveling up does. What people are speculating is the more you level up your NFT, the larger allocation of the Ika airdrop you're going to get. So it says you can buy one on TradePort. So TradePort is the top marketplace for Sui ecosystem NFTs, and you'll see right up here among the top is the MF Squid Market collection. And just taking a quick look at this, you can see it's a 10,000 supply collection. About 9% are currently listed. It's done 146,000 Sui in volume, which is pretty impressive. Average sale price has been around 12 Sui. So this is less than a couple weeks old, and you can see if we sort this by 30-day floor price, when this launched, again back on March 4th, the average floor price was around 21 Sui. And so I like this sitting right now at around 11 Sui at the floor, and I'm gonna use this as an opportunity to add one of these to my wallet in case it is a qualifying criteria for the Ika airdrop. I definitely want to hold one, and now that it's cooled off a little bit, I think it's a good opportunity to do that. So I don't know a ton about these NFTs. There's not a ton of information. I've done some research, found some interesting threads. I'll link to this one by Deo, where he talks about how Ika has talked about how you can level up your NFTs, and the gist of it is the stages matter. So there's stage 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we take a look at this, if you go to evolution stage, and again, I don't really know about any of the other attributes. My main thing is I just want to own one of these, but if you sort this by evolution stage 1, that's where we're currently at, and it's 11 Sui floor. Just to give you an idea, if we were to jump up to evolution stage 2, the floor price jumps up to almost 20 Sui. So I guess that means holding a higher level stage MF Squid Market NFT would potentially qualify you for more Ika airdrop. I think that's what people are speculating on. Could be the case. I don't know, but in this example, I just want to own one. So I'm gonna go through the process right now buying one. This might be helpful if you have not used TradePort for Sui NFTs yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my wallet. TradePort is a multi-chain NFT marketplace, so I'm gonna go ahead and select Sui wallet, connect my Sui wallet, and connect. Okay, now that my Sui wallet is connected, I'm gonna go ahead and buy one of these floor ones. You can see if we sort this by activity and sales, the last sale was 2 hours ago for 10.99 Sui. There have been some above floor buys like this one, 24 Sui. My guess is that's probably a level 2 or 3. Let's click on it. Well, that's actually an evolution stage 1. It's a holographic foiled pattern, so I'm guessing that has something to do with it, and the epic rarity. So anyways, there are a bunch of sales still, good volume on this project. Slowed down considerably again since it launched, which all NFT collections tend to do shortly after the mint. There's a week or so of hype, and then things cool off, people forget about it. So I'm going to take a look at this floor one right here for 5755. We'll click on this one, currently listed for 10.99 Sui. It's an evolution stage 1, level 2, quality scuffed. There's nothing rare about it. Let's take a look at 5746, also listed at 10.99 Sui. It's an evolution stage 1, scuffed, claimable keys. This is something also to pay attention to with this. I've been reading about claimable keys. I don't know exactly what that does, but some of these do have claimable keys. So there's also the Squid Keys collection, which when you see claimable keys, I believe that's what they're referring to. So some of these MF Squid Market NFTs have claimable keys. I'm not sure what role the keys play, but it's a whole separate collection. Obviously the two are tied together. Might be worth taking a look at one of these. I might pick one of these up as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and select this one since it's the same price. It's a little bit better rarity, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and click on buy. And 10.99, I'm going to say buy NFT, and I'm going to approve it. So I now have this NFT number 577, the MF Squid Market. And again, it's just a common, but at this point I just want to take advantage of the lower floor price and make sure I have at least one. If I open up my Sweet wallet and we go to assets and then click on kiosk, you can see there it is. You can also view it by clicking up on your wallet address when it's connected to TradePort. Click on my items and you can see there is the MF Squid Market NFT we just bought. So I'm just going to hold this one and hope that it does play a factor in the Ika airdrop. So David, one of the co-founders of Ika, just posted this today. Get your NFTs ready, it's coming. Seems to be in reference to potentially the airdrop, and then in the comments people are referencing the MF Squid Market NFTs that we just talked about. So this is very interesting development as well. I'm going to also go ahead and buy one of these Squid Keys right now in case that is a major factor in the airdrop. That way I'll hold one of the MF Squid Market NFTs and one of these. It doesn't look like these have any attributes, so I'm going to go ahead and just buy this one on the floor for 5.33. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this one. I'm going to click on buy, and then I'm going to click on buy NFT, and I'm going to approve it. All right, so we picked up this Squid Key as well. So we now have a MF Squid Market NFT and we have a Squid Key. For now, that's all I'm going to purchase, but I will keep an eye on both these collections and consider adding more, especially if the floor price drops. So on to the next ecosystem airdrop that there's still time to qualify for, Karrier One. You can see they reposted this by Angelo.Sui. Many have asked me how to participate in the Karrier One airdrop. Simple, be a holder of one of these NFTs, Karrier One early adopter, Karrier One Pigeons. So it looks like they have 2 NFT collections, and then it says enjoying their Zealy campaign. So KONE's going to be the token. It says it'll be revolutionary for SWE. Make sure you're positioned. So again, Karrier One is a DePIN play, which is becoming very big right now this cycle. Strong narrative across Web3. All right, so these are the 2 NFT collections that he recommends holding in order to qualify for the Karrier One airdrop. So we're going to do that. We're also going to join their Zealy campaign as well. So this is the Karrier One early adopters NFT collection. 10,000 supply, just under 2% listed, 135k Sweden volume. This is probably the number 1 NFT you want to hold out of the 2. Their other collection is Karrier Pigeons. This is more of a PFP collection. The floor on this one looks like it's gone up as well, but this one is much more accessible from a price standpoint, currently at 7.2 SWE floor price. So it just depends what you want to do. You could buy both of these, the Karrier One early adopter NFT, as well as the Karrier Pigeons PFP collection, or buy one or the other. In this example, since I don't have a ton of SWE left in this wallet, we're going to go ahead and just buy one of these Karrier Pigeons, and then potentially I'll circle back after the video, see if I can scrap up some more SWE to get one of these. Ideally, you'd probably want to have both. You can see there's been quite a bit of volume. Big sweep, it looks like, just an hour ago on these. A lot of volume on this against a 10k supply, 5.7% listed, over 40k in SWE volume. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these out. All right, so I found this one. I kind of like it. It's got the hockey stick. It's at the floor right now. The main purpose here is just to hold one of these Karrier Pigeon NFTs in case it is a qualifier for the KONE airdrop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on buy, connect my SWE wallet, and then buy NFT. All right, transaction successful. So we now have Karrier Pigeon 1402, and now potentially am in position to qualify for that airdrop. Again, probably I'll go back and buy one of these as well. So be a holder of one of these NFTs, Karrier One early adopter or Karrier Pigeons. We bought the Karrier Pigeons, and then it says and join their Zealy campaign to get KONE airdrop. And so if you go to Zealy's X profile here and you click through to zealy.io, go ahead and create a free account, and then search here for community. Just search for Karrier One, and there's the Karrier One community. I'll go ahead and click on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on join Karrier One. We've now joined the Karrier One community. So joining their Zealy campaign, then following the steps will also go a long way to potentially qualifying you for the KONE airdrop, as Angelo points out here. Karrier One is revolutionizing mobile networks on SWE, enabling decentralized wireless connectivity powered by KONE. Token generation event rumors are heating up. Don't miss out on what could be a game changer. What is Karrier One? Karrier One is decentralized mobile network aiming to democratize wireless connectivity, especially in underserved regions. By leveraging the SWE blockchain, it offers seamless and anonymous connections, transferring how we access the internet. So this is another really interesting project on SWE with a token dropping in the near future, as I feel like there's still time to qualify for Ika and Karrier One. Right now when the market is down is a good time to take advantage of opportunities like this. Some of my biggest wins, not just in SWE but in Web3, have been by participating in the ecosystem and getting airdrops as a result. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.